This creamy smoked mackerel spread is perfect for a light protein-packed meal. If you serve it on keto bread or skip the bread entirely, it becomes a delicious low-carb dish. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. It's quick, simple, and ideal for busy mornings or a cozy evening snack. I start by carefully removing all the bones from the smoked mackerel. This step may feel calming, the kind of quiet kitchen ritual I actually enjoy. Smoked mackerel is a real nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support the heart and brain. It's also a great source of protein and B vitamins, and its bold flavor means even a simple dish can taste truly special. If you enjoy simple and wholesome recipes, hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss new ideas from our kitchen. I add soft butter and gently mash everything together with a fork until it turns into a smooth, creamy paste. I chop the onion into fine pieces. If you prefer a stronger flavor, you can make the pieces a little bigger. The sound of the knife on the board and the scent of onion mixing with mackerel. These small moments make cooking feel real. I add the chopped onion to the mackerel and butter mixture. I peel a clove of garlic, grate it finely, and add it to the spread. Then I season everything with salt, pepper, and my favorite herbs, mixing until it all comes together into a fragrant spread. Here's the fun part. You can play with the flavor. Add a chopped boiled egg, a touch of mustard, or a squeeze of lemon juice to give it your own twist. I spread the finished mackerel paste on bread. And if I want a keto or low-carb version, I simply use the right kind of bread or skip it altogether. On top, I add a few slices of fresh veggies. They give color, crunch, and freshness to every bite. And that's it. A handful of simple ingredients, just a few minutes in the kitchen, and you get a tasty homemade spread for any time of day. Thank you for cooking with me today. If you like simple homemade recipes, leave a like and subscribe. It really helps us keep going.